In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to BMO. Harris Online Banking 2025. Step by step. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can sign in with confidence from your computer's web browser. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for BMO Harris Bank Online Banking. Typing something like BMO Harris Login is fine. Before you click anything, glance at the results and look for the official BMO site. You should see a secure link that begins with HTTPS and includes bmo.com in the address bar. Avoid suspicious ads or misspelled links. Click the official result to open the BMO digital banking login page. On this page, confirm you're in the right place by checking for the padlock icon in the address bar and the BMO branding. This helps ensure you're not on a look-alike page. Now, enter your user ID in the field labeled User ID. Type it exactly as you created it when you enrolled. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it fill the field for you. If you're unsure of your user ID, look for the recovery options on the page rather than guessing repeatedly, which can trigger an account lock. Next, move to the password field and carefully enter your password. Make sure caps lock isn't on, and be mindful of any special characters your password might include. For security, avoid signing in on public Wi-Fi or shared computers. If you do need to use a shared device, plan to sign out right away when you're done. You'll also see a Remember Me option. Turning this on typically saves your user ID on this device, so you don't have to retype it next time. It does not save your password, only enable. Remember Me on a private, trusted device that only you use. Leave it off on public or shared devices. When everything looks correct, click Sign In. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your online banking dashboard where you can view accounts, make transfers, and manage payments. If you run into an error, slow down and check for typos, then try again. You may also be asked to complete additional verification. To confirm it's really you, simply follow the on-screen prompts. That's it. You searched for the official site, opened the login page, entered your user ID and password, chose whether to remember your device, and click Sign In. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you log in smoothly and securely.